If you're seeing a chess.com error 502, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. A 502 bad gateway error usually means there's a server communication problem, and that can happen because of heavy traffic, a temporary outage, or even an issue with your browser or network. The good news is that in many cases, you can get back into chess.com in just a few minutes. Before we start, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel, and it tells me to make more quick guides for you. Let's start with the first and easiest fix, a hard refresh. Sometimes your browser is loading a broken or outdated page, and a hard refresh forces it to reload everything properly. If you're on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R together. After that, wait a moment and see if chess.com loads again. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your site data. In Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From there, look for the option to clear browsing data or site data. Make sure you check cookies and cached images and files, then click Delete Data. This removes old files that may be causing chess.com to load incorrectly. After clearing the cache, close the browser tab, open chess.com again, and test the site. If that doesn't solve it, the next fix is to flush your DNS. DNS is what helps your device find websites, and if it has old or bad information, it can cause looting issues. On Windows, click Start and type CMD. Then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Once that's done, refresh chess.com and check if the site works. If you're still getting the 502 error, it may not be a problem on your device at all. Sometimes chess.com is having a temporary server issue, so it's a good idea to wait a few minutes and try again. You can also try opening the site in an incognito window, switching browsers, or using a different internet connection to see if the issue is local. So to quickly recap, first try a hard refresh, then clear your browser data, and finally flush your DNS. These three steps fix the most common causes of a chess.com 502 error. If the problem is on chess.com side, the best solution may simply be to wait until their servers recover. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.